Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss with you about the measuring biodiversity. In unit number 5 biodiversity, first topic is concept of biodiversity and its level. Second one is keystone species and third one is measuring biodiversity. In this, first of all, what is biodiversity? Biodiversity termed as a variability among the species of plants, animals and microorganisms in ecosystem. Variability and variety among the species of plants, animals and microorganisms. Variability and variety among the organisms living in particular habitat or particular area is called biodiversity. Why biodiversity is important? Ecosystem depends on combined contribution of individual organisms. The loss of any species can make drastic change within the ecosystem, which resulted into destroying whole ecosystem. Any ecosystem is dependent on combined contribution of individual organism. That means individual single organism is very important in ecosystem. The loss of any species or loss of any organism within the ecosystem made drastic change within the ecosystem and it resulted into destroying whole ecosystem. An ecosystem with high level of biodiversity is more resistant to environmental change. The ecosystem in which more diversity is available, that means a particular region is more diverse, then it is less affect when some environmental change happen. Biodiversity index. Biodiversity index is a way of measuring biodiversity. Scientists use many indices to measure biodiversity, but no single one is always appropriate. In fact, some conservation method, more than one measure have to be used. Scientists use many methods to measure biodiversity because in particular ecosystem there is no single species or no single organism. There is also plant, animal and microorganisms present. So we cannot measure all these animals or all these organisms in a particular single method. So scientists use more than one method to measure biodiversity. There are various mathematical ways to measure biodiversity, which calculate the number of species diversity in different regions. These two ways are easy and useful. First one is species richness and second one is species evenness. Species richness is total number of species in a particular area or habitat. For example, this is forest 1 and this is forest 2. In forest 1, 3 species are present. In forest 1, 3 species are present, while in forest 2, 5 species are present. So we conclude that forest 1 is less diverse and forest 2 is more diverse. When diversity is more, the richness of species is more. That means compared to forest 1, forest 2 is more diverse and this is called species richness. Second one is species evenness. Evenly species distribution of the species in particular area. Evenly distribution of species in a particular area is species evenness. For example, forest 1 and forest 2. In forest 1, there are 3 species. Species 1, species 2 and species 3. Organism of species 1 is 4. Organism of species 2 is 1 and organism of species 3 is 1. In forest 2, three species and all three have two organism. That means species evenness is more in forest 2 and species evenness is less in forest 1. Mainly three measures of biodiversity: alpha diversity, beta diversity and gamma diversity. First one is alpha diversity. Alpha diversity refers to the number of species in single community at particular time. Number of species in single community. We can take a single patch or single habitat, and in which the number of species of in particular time is called alpha diversity. Alpha diversity is also called species richness because there is more species than alpha diversity is more. Alpha diversity is used to compare number of species in different communities. Second one is beta diversity. At ecosystem level, measure of biodiversity often used to compare two ecosystems or to determine change over time in given region. Describing changes in biodiversity within or between ecosystem is called beta diversity. In beta diversity, two ecosystems are compared, and in between these two ecosystems there is changes over the time is measured, and describing the changes in biodiversity within or between the ecosystem in this comparison both ecosystems are measured. Measures of beta diversity indicate the different species richness between two different habitat or within single community at different points in time. Gamma diversity. Gamma diversity is measure of overall diversity for the different ecosystem within the region. Gamma diversity is overall measurement of particular ecosystem within a particular region. That means gamma diversity is equal to alpha diversity plus beta diversity. Gamma diversity on other hand estimate the total biodiversity within an entire region. It estimates total biodiversity in entire region. Here is the example of alpha diversity, beta diversity and gamma diversity. In particular ecosystem, this is the whole ecosystem, there are communities or patches or particular area is present. For example, this is area 1 or community 1, community 2, community 3 and community 4. First of all, alpha diversity. Alpha diversity is number of species in particular area. There is 5 species in particular area. So it is measured by alpha diversity. Number of species in particular area. It is alpha diversity. Beta diversity. This is community 1 and community 2. Variation of species between two local community. That means here 5 species present, here also 5 species. But there is variation because this species is not present here. So it is variation. Variation between two local community. Variation between two local community is called beta diversity. Third one is gamma diversity. It measures all over number of species within the particular ecosystem or particular region. Alpha diversity measures a community or species of particular community. Beta diversity comparison between two community, while gamma diversity is measure all over number of the species within the region. That means here, if for example here 16 species or 20 species are present, that means it is total number of species in particular area, total number of species in particular area or particular region. It is called gamma diversity. So this is the alpha, beta and gamma diversity. Alpha diversity is number of species in particular area or particular community. Beta diversity is variation of species between two local community, and gamma diversity is all over number of the species in particular region. That means gamma diversity is equal to alpha diversity plus beta diversity. Thank you.